Ayun na nga, may maganda akong balita sa inyong lahat regarding sa performance bonus ni Meta. Madami kasi akong naririnig na mga hearsay sa kapwa natin content creators na ang performance bonus program daw is applicable lang sa mga content creators na based in US, which technically, it isn't the case. Pero ako nga kasi gusto kong makasiguro talaga na applicable ito sa lahat. Minabuti ko po itong itanong kay Meta para mabigyan po tayo ng tamang kasagutan. At ito po yung itinanong ko sa kanila. So basically, performance bonus is for everyone, regardless of you're not located in the US. Ang sagot po nila, that's right, Wilhelm. It's just that it's an invitation program only. So just to clear my confusion, it's open to everyone, right? Regardless of what country you're residing. But again, for invitation only. Yes, just like Ads on Reels, Wilhelm. It's an invitation program only. Sa madaling salita po, wala pong katotohanan yung mga nakikita yung reels sa kapwa natin creators na sinasabi nila na yung mga nasa US lang daw ang nai-invite doon. So which means to say na lahat po tayo ay pwedeng ma-invite sa performance bonus program ni Meta. Ano po ba yung performance program bonus na yun? Ito po ang ibig sabihin nun. The performance bonus program is an invitation only. The program that gives creators the opportunity to earn money on interactions in their public Facebook post, excluding reels and stories. Bonus payout will be based on the amount of reach reactions, shares, and comments on eligible Facebook post. Reach is defined as the number of people who saw your post at least once, and it has most impact on earnings from the program. Eligible content includes public photos, text, live videos, short and long videos, and any other public content except for reels and stories. Opportunities to earn one-time extra bonus based on completion of terms and conditions presented in your offer. Which means to say, lahat po tayo pwedeng ma-invite doon. Though, technically, it's for an invitation only. Pero, ibig pa rin pong sabihin may tsansa po tayong pwedeng ma-invite. Kaya sa lahat po ng content creators dyan, maliit man o malaki ang following natin, posible po iyon. Kasi nga system lang po yung nagre-review ng mga profiles po natin. Kaya ang tsansa po talaga na ma-invite dito is most probably we cannot say 100% but there is still a chance to be invited on performance bonus program ni Meta. So, napakalaking chance po para kumita dito. Kasi isipin nyo, at least hanggang pwedeng $30,000 po ang kikitain natin pag nagkataon. Sa simpleng post lang po natin, pwede na po tayong kumita. Isipin nyo po yun. Kaya sa lahat po ng content creators ko po dyan, sikapin po nating sundin lahat po ang mga terms and condition po ni Meta. Basahin po natin yung mga community standards po niya, saka yung partner monetization policy niyo po. Kasi isa po yun sa mga factor na kailangan talaga nating i-consider. Kaya good luck po sa ating lahat. For more tips on questions and creating reels, follow for more. Bye!